Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, then hi and welcome. But today I'm playing Animal Company. I've only seen videos on it, I've never actually played it before. So I'm just gonna be doing like a bunch of exploring and just really tons of exploring and just playing the game in general. But well, I'm already getting somewhere. Climbing this giant tree. Whoa. Whoa. I hear music. It's better not be copyrighted. Never mind, this ain't music. It's just whatever that is. Oh no. Am I gonna... I think I'll be good enough to do this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, what's up here? Whoa, what? Oh, nothing. Wonder if I can go over there. Nope, I'm not that good. I mean, looks like I can if I'm just like good enough. What's down there? Gotta get up there somehow, I really want to. Oh, nope. No way, I'm not doing that. Oh wait, how do I get up there though? Oh my gosh, wait, what? Oh, I can't. Whoa, what was that? Did I do that? I don't know if I did or not. Alright, let's get to the actual game. Whee! What the? Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Well, okay, what's that? Oh, what, is that me? Yeah, it is, look. Alright, well, I just died. I'm back, okay. Where do I go now? I'm going here. I saw this earlier, when I wasn't recording. Sigma frogwood? I can be a cat, a pug, I'm gonna be a gorilla. Yeah, I'll be a gorilla. Oh, there's not too much in there. What's this? How's it ever go in the water? Oh, whoa, what's that? Whoa. Water time. Up. Can't go in the water. Dang. Go, 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 go. Just find a red. Look over there. No, here, obviously. Am I twipping? I think I am. I think I'm twipping. Oh, there's echoes. It's red light, green light, what? What the heck? Whatever this is. Banana. I hear somebody. I hear somebody. I need to get out of here. This giant banana. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, no, wait, I think I know where to put these. I'm pretty sure I'll put them there. Do I or do I not? Because these are like collectibles, I think. Wait, how do I... Hold on, wait, do I put one somewhere else? Whoa, what? Wait, whoa, they gave me money! Alright, time to go back in there, can't be scared. Gotta go, gotta go! Oh yeah, I've heard you have, like, cheeks. I've heard you're thick. Yeah, so, I wanna figure that out. Sometime. Boom, boom. Whoa. Can go there. Down there. Whoa. Oh, heck no. What is that? I'm gonna figure out. Hey, buddy. Oh, so he just eats you. That's great. Wow. Kind of scary. Oh, now you're going there. Do not enter. Whoa, whoa. Oh, not too much. Do not enter. Too bad. Oh, maybe. Okay, don't step on the mines. Oh, a bunch of bananas. Oh. I'm gonna put these somewhere. I can throw them. Oh my gosh, those go far. How about if I throw one like on one of these? Oh shoot! Never exploded. So, gosh dang it! I knew you weren't supposed to move. Oh well, I'm getting close to the end of the video. But there's only one thing we need to figure out. My voluptuous cheeks. I've never seen my cheeks yet. Oh, what? There's a grenade. I need the grenade. There's a shotgun. Oh my gosh, there's like weapons you can get. Well, I don't think I can find a way to find out my voluptuous cheeks. Unfortunately. There definitely is a way somehow to get at the map. Just can't figure it. Oh my god. Kinda scared me. Hold on, wait. That kinda scared me. I'm gonna see how far I can climb. Oh my god. It's kind of weird how realistic this game is in a way. Like, it knows is like, it kind of looks like really fake, but to me it kind of looks realistic in a weird way. Whoa. Oh my gosh, oh no. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Oh, I forgot my goal. My goal is to get all the way up there, but now I'm all the way up here. You know what? Ow, hit something. I saved myself? I saved myself. No, no, no! Gosh dang it. Oh no, I could have done that too. Go, 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 go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No, no, no. Oh, oh, go. Yeah, go, go, go. I'm slipping. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes, yes. Hold on, wait. No, there's a limit. Oh, this is as high as I could get. Wish there was a way to get out, but there isn't. I'm gonna try to walk around this. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no! Oh, that way, whoa. That was kind of scary. I need to find out how to use my cheats. Where's my... Come on. Yeah, there they are! Oh, they jiggled! That was weird. No, they jiggled. That was mad weird. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Whoa. My next video will either be some sort of bone lab video, or what the, that almost just broke my game. Actually, no, wait, I'll show y'all what the next video could be. Alright, so, my next video could be, a split-second video, or it could be a, battle glide video. Battle glide's actually pretty popular, so I want to do that. Or a bone lab video. So I'll do one of those, but thank you for watching. Goodbye. Oh wait, I got a secret for the people that didn't leave early. Got a secret. Tell me otherwise, this just doesn't look like a big turd. Like, just tell me. Like,